Okay, delighted to announce that our new lighting design course, Designing Through Light, the Professional Lens, has been launched. It's in conjunction with Skillnet, and we're running it next year from our space here, a co-creative space in Kilkenny, from January to March. We'll have 2 full-day workshops here in Kilkenny, and then 6 online lectures. For the workshops, we'll be doing a sort of most like half a day or so of lecturing right from our auditorium here, but then we'll be making that we'll be making the theory that we talk about very real by making it experiential, and that's a huge part of what we're about in terms of understanding that light is so emotional, so impactful, that you really have to experience it to understand it. So we'll be playing in our dark. We've got lots of sort of education elements built throughout our space, but we use our dark room here to test, lighting up mirrors, looking at different technologies and color rendering, lighting with different color finishes, and seeing how different types of lighting and color temperatures work with those. Looking at hidden lighting details and just making it very, very real, very, very interactive. It's a fantastic way to learn, and I firmly believe the best way to learn with light. So we will, right throughout the course, we'll be building through all the different sort of fundamental characteristics like illuminance and luminance and color rendering and temperature. But we'll also look at how to build lighting scheme, and you're balancing the function and that huge emotional aesthetic element, but also, and we've been talking a lot about it over the last while, how fundamental and foundational light is to our health, and how we can design spaces that people can thrive in, and the sustainability element, your circular lighting. So it's targeted towards professionals working in the built environment. So anywhere from architects, interior designers, interior architects, engineers, project managers, landscape designers, anybody sort of that this is your profession in the built environment. I think it's a great opportunity to really get a good grounding in a balanced and sort of conscious approach to lighting design. So yeah, really excited and really keen to get going just after Christmas.